Hey my youth, you know where you watch. Dancehall.
Have a short matter what I want to address. I just see a video where Paul Platinum kids post. Of course I'm offended because whatever it is, I approach you privately in a DM to sort out the matter, because eventually I don't even approach in a rude way. I ask you one question, because things are going on when I not talk and the public don't know, and I not try to bring it publicly either. But now since as you are going to tell the public I'm crazy, I have mental illness and all these things. Nigga, I'm not mentally ill, you know. I'm not mentally ill. It's just the whole music industry have been playing games for me over long. I'm not wrong for no more word. Yes. I get a phone call last year, say money pay for my head, and the nigga will call me, I cry I water, tears a drop, and the nigga say him get the money and mash up, and him don't know what to do because him never know say me for drop until him get the money. Anyway, however, only 2 persons know say me for go Miami last year was my label and Platinum Kids. Now, I have fully doubt say, yo, it's a whole book of thing, you know.
Viewers and subscribers, what you just hear right there, so is something that you don't take them type of things if you're joking matter, you see me? You must really look into it and take it very serious, you see me? Now, it don't really look like any confirmation there to what has been said, right? I'm gonna make sure I say it right about now too. Now, the person who is right there, so that is BLAK RYNO, a Jamaican artist, you see me? A Jamaican entertainer, and he must say some things where it seems like his life might be in jeopardy, or social media say that what I do is just publicity stunt. So he's a one out of the 2, you see me? Now, even though this is something that happened from last year, you see me, I said to you, because as I am explaining myself about from last year and so forth, you see me? The point is that this is something that needs to be looked into, you see me? And if something like this happen now, go up saying really and truly, bring even the phone when you get the call upon to the police station, report it properly, because this is not something where you're supposed to take lightly. You can't hear certain things being threatened by your life. However, social media, I try to say that attention, the man I look, and all kind of things. Social media, I say, well, some part of social media are gonna say these things, you know, because not everybody is going to be on the same page, you know. So really and truly, now we are trying to understand what really are going on. So I say, because you know them things are in a safe. But anyways, so it's not really about the live threat right about now. We know the whole live threat thing is there, but you know what I mean? As you say about the label and another person name we mentioned, as I say, but it seems to me like the person I talked to was upset, right? And must have lashed out at him where him says, so it seems to me like he's drawing some form of allegation, you know what I mean? Like, he might point fingers to who and who responsible for this hit on his head thing where he might talk about this. I say, it seems to me, so it's like he might try to say, yo, if it's not that man, then it's that man. You see what really and truly are going on, so? Alright, make sure I explain to you still, is it? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, this is where I leave it with you, my viewers and subscribers, for you know, tell me what to think about this thing. So I say, because like me say, he might try to pinpoint somebody, say if it's not that man do it, it's that man do it. So I'm going to see where this story is going. So I say, is it that he's looking publicity stunt, or is this a real thing? You get what I'm saying to you? That's the question. Is he telling the truth, or is he doing this for the whole publicity idea? So I say, yeah, that is the thing the social media have right about now with where BLAK RYNO just talk about it. So I say, alright, so viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think. And as always, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it?